Now, we've already upgraded our infotainment system, and now I want to deal with a problem that happens in all Jeeps. Carpet in a Jeep is like having carpet in your bathroom. It may feel good on your feet when you get out of the shower, but there's some funky stuff growing in there, and it's the same inside a Jeep. The easy solution for most people is to just take the carpet out. That way you don't have to worry about it. The problem is then the floor gets hot, it gets noisy, and it just doesn't have that finished look that you want in one of these newer Jeeps. But we have a fix for it that's even better. This is the complete ArmorLite flooring replacement system. So this looks like a rubber floor because that's essentially what it is, but it's designed to replace all of the carpet inside our Jeep and more because it actually offers a little bit more protection. The nice thing is it still retains all the factory drain plugs, so you have access to the drain plugs in the floor of your Jeep. If you ever get water inside of here, simply pull the plug and it will drain right out. The other nice thing is the backing on this is not carpet. This is a polyester backing, and it's mainly designed to prevent that heat transfer from underneath the vehicle up inside the passenger compartment. ArmorLite has tested this and measured the temperature on the floor in a Jeep JK. They saw a temperature of 240 degrees on the floor, but only 100 degrees on top of their flooring once it's installed. The nice thing is it comes in a couple different colors. You can have this tan or black. If you want some more customization, the drain plug covers are offered in a bunch of different colors, and you can get this for Wranglers, Gladiators, Broncos, and even Tacomas. And it drops right in. Watch this. The polyester insulation on the bottom of the flooring does not absorb water, so it's mold and mildew resistant. And all ArmorLite flooring has a lifetime warranty and is made in the USA.